Friends, take a moment and look at your life from the outside. Same alarm every single morning. You wake up early, go to work, push through the whole day, and come home tired at night. The month ends, salary comes in, and within a few days the account is almost empty again. Then the same race starts all over, same stress, same cycle. Now ask yourself something honest. If this continues for the next 30 or 40 years, is that really what life is for? Just paying bills and clearing EMIs? Since childhood, we were shown only one path: get good grades, get a job, work your whole life, rest only when you're old. But here's the real question nobody asks. By the time the best years of your life are spent working, what will actually be left for you afterward? And this is where most people make a quiet but massive mistake. They work hard their entire life, but they never build a system. They work for money, but they never teach their money to work for them. Let me tell you a story. There's a tree in this world called the Chinese bamboo tree. When its seed is planted, the first year, nothing happens. The second year, still nothing. Third year, fourth year, the ground looks completely empty. Most people would give up by now, convinced their effort is going to waste. But here's what's actually happening underground. That entire time, the tree has been building its roots, deep, strong, invisible. And then, in the fifth year, something remarkable happens. The same tree shoots up rapidly, growing several feet within just a few weeks. Money works exactly the same way. In the beginning, you won't notice much difference, but if a person keeps investing money and time consistently in the right place, that small beginning eventually turns into something significant. The problem is, most people stop right in the middle. They want quick results. If nothing major happens in 6 months, they switch systems, abandon the plan, and fall right back into the same old cycle. But the ones who survive that quiet, uneventful middle phase, they're the ones who eventually buy their freedom. So today, I want to show you a simple system. There's no magic formula here, but if you follow it consistently, the next 5 years could completely change the direction of your life. So what is this system exactly? Something that can gradually make an ordinary person financially stronger? The answer is simple: consistent, patient investing. But investing here doesn't just mean putting in money. It means trusting your own future. Imagine someone who sets aside a small portion of their income every single month. In the beginning, they won't feel much difference. Life looks the same as before. But slowly, that same small amount starts working on its own. This is the real power of compounding. The first few years are always the hardest because you're putting in effort, but the results feel tiny. This is exactly where most people give up. They pull their money out early or spend it on something flashy instead. But the ones who stay patient are the ones who move ahead and gain the biggest advantage. Understand this clearly. Getting rich isn't just about earning more money. The real game is making your money start working for you. The day your system starts running, even without you actively pushing it, that's the day your life quietly begins to change. And here's the most interesting part of this entire game. How small you start doesn't matter. What matters is how long you stay in it. Because compounding doesn't need a huge amount. It needs time. A lot of people think, I'll start once I earn more. But the truth is, if you can't build the habit with a small income, you won't magically build it with a bigger one either. So don't wait for the perfect moment. The right time is today.
The start can be small, but it has to be consistent. 5 years might sound long, but here's the truth. Those 5 years are going to pass anyway, whether you do something with them or not. The only real question is, after those 5 years, will you still be standing exactly where you are today, or will you be standing somewhere with more options, more freedom, and far less stress? If today is the day you decide to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building your own system instead, believe me, that future is absolutely possible. If this video made you pause and think even a little differently, write in the comments, "I'm starting my 5-year journey today." If you liked it, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell, because here it's not just motivation, it's a real, life-changing system.